Hey, Chris here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place lay bets at the exact odds bookmakers are offering, meaning that you don't have to take a qualifying loss. This is going to be made possible by using a platform called Betconnect, who are revolutionizing the way match bettors are placing their lay bets. A qualifying loss, or QL for short, is the small loss that you take in order to qualify for bookmakers' free bets. That qualifying loss happens when back odds are lower than the lay odds, as you can see here on the screen. The ultimate way to lay bets is to lay them at 100%, and if you're not quite sure what that looks like, we can jump on the laptop here and I'll show you. So say for example we were placing a £10 back stake and the back odds were 3.0 and then the lay odds are 3.0. As you can see there, that's going to give us a qualifying loss, so this would be, say, qualifying to unlock a free bet of £0, 0 pence. Now that sounds great, doesn't it? But it's not always achievable when you're using a platform such as Smarkets or Betfair. The easiest way to lay your bets at 100% every time is by using Betconnect, as their platform allows you to lay bets at the exact bookmaker odds, which is an industry first. Using Betconnect not only saves you from taking qualifying loss and therefore increasing your profit, it also means your bookmaker accounts are likely to last longer, since you'll be taking different bets to other match bettors that might be using Smarkets or Betfair. If you like the sound of this so far, please do drop a like below and also comment your thoughts. Right now you're probably thinking, well, that sounds great, but what kind of commission do Betconnect charge for you to lay the bets on their platform? Well, there is none. You won't pay a single penny in commission when laying bets on Betconnect. This means that rather than placing bets the old-fashioned way by laying on a regular betting exchange and losing around 5% in qualifying losses each time, you end up with more profit by using Betconnect for your lay bets. Betconnect is perfect for getting lay bets on when completing the welcome offers, but for this step-by-step, real-time, how Betconnect works guide here, I'm going to show you how you can use Betconnect for the William Hill second place £10 cash refund offer, which they do on the horse racing. This is what's known as a reload offer, and they're a great way to continue making profits after you've gotten through all of the welcome offers. Oh, and by the way, when you sign up to Betconnect through my link down in the description and deposit just £10, when I get to 100 signups, I'm going to be giving away £100 cash to someone that I pick at random in the comments below. So of course, definitely comment below on this video if you sign up through my link and deposit a tenner. Getting on the laptop then, so I can show you how this would work. Firstly, you would select the lay side tab. Once you're on the lay side, you would select the excluded button here just below where it says each way, so that it only gives us the win market bets that we would want and not any each way bets. Next, on the right hand side, you would click all bookmakers just above where it says apply filter and have that set so it only has William Hill selected there in the list, and go ahead and press apply filter. It's also good practice for you to select horse racing here on the left hand side if it's just horse racing bets that you want to see. In order to get your lay bet placed on this horse here that's going to qualify us for this second place refund offer, you just scroll down and then select the stake box and enter £10. Then simply click match this bet, and you can see there on the screen that £10 has now been successfully matched at lay odds of 4.33. You then just need to switch over to the William Hill site and select the same horse. So as you can see there, I've got Dylan's Lad on the Newcastle 1830 at back odds of 4.33, and I've put in £10 there to place a £10 back bet. The possible outcomes for that is the horse wins, so the back bet at William Hill wins and your lay bet with Betconnect loses, so you break even. Then you have the chance of the horse finishing outside the top two places, so your lay bet with Betconnect wins and your back bet with William Hill loses, so of course you break even yet again. Or the horse could finish in second, which is of course what we want, and you would then win £10 with Betconnect and lose £10 with William Hill, so you break even there, but you would then earn that £10 cash refund for that horse finishing in second place. There is of course no outcome there where you will lose any money whatsoever, so you have no worries with qualifying losses building up and putting your profits into the negative. Betconnect have a dedicated match betting Discord community which includes strategy guides, expert support, reload offers, bet alerts, and much more. It's completely free to join, and if that wasn't enough, they're releasing very interesting features for match bettors soon, so be sure to head over and subscribe to their YouTube channel to keep up to date with what's going on. I'll of course leave links for those down in the description. Before I wrap this video up, I'd like to say a massive thank you to Betconnect for sponsoring this video. It's massively appreciated. And of course, until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.